Let's go. Thank you. Jump. No good. Rebound by number 70. Pass to number 45. Take the shot. All good. Rebound by number 21. Number 19. Penetrate.
May time out kami nung ano?
Walang timeout.
Walang time out.
Oo.
Wala ka?
Fourth quarter ang meron.
Quarter lang. Hala ko may time.
Rebound by number 18, number 17. Number 8. Papa Ricky, pass to Churchill. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 19. No good. Rebound by pass. Out of bounds. Green ball. Parang inihingan ka ngayon. 2 minutes pa.
Mahaba eh. Mahaba yung court. Hindi sanay.
Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Penetrate. Almost. Rebound by number 20. Number 19. Pass break to number 21. 21. Number 19. Moto, rebound by number 8. Mr. Jackson, may hop over yan. Good shot by number 17. 2-0 in favor of Alden Richard.
Hiningan
Good assist.
Hindi nga
Two shots by number 1. Assist by number 2.
Mahaba eh.
Number 17. Number 8. Pass to number 16. Hawak ka rin. Penetrate. Number 16. Two shot. Hindi pa nanonood ng number sa number 16. Mr. Pasillo. Bilisan yung pala. Alam mo sa Enriquez. Back to back points. Number 1. Scores for all. Number 1. 2 points. Number 8. No good. Number 18 rebound. No good again. Out of bounds. Green ball. Number 9. Pass to number 20. No good.
Oo, sarap talaga.
Number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Number 16. Rebound by number 21. Maraming salamat po sa mga sponsor natin. Roto, Alden Richard, 2 points by number 19. 6-4 in favor of Roto. Mr. Jason, penetrate. Good. Oh, better than rebound by Orbit. Guzman. Foul number 1. First team foul for Bromo. Good morning, Mr. Commissioner.
5 minutes. Share yan.
No good. Another shot by Mr. Nodby. Sige po. Number 8, good shot. Players, nakit tayo please. Ha? No, stay ka 10 minutes pa. First quarter na. Second quarter, change 5. Norbin Bilbao.
All the way, DJ, all the way!
Number 24. Malang-malang sa tatayan. Sa Patay yung tatay niyan. Sila po. Number 19. Boy! Hindi naman na. Pass to number... Basic. 8-5 in favor of Rocco. Yung next 5 players natin sa quarter, patakan ko para magandang yan. Nice pass.
Bago mag-start.
Bago mag-start, mag-training yung natin na. Tsaka make sure may underwear kayo. Good. Viva, pass number 30, penetrate. Lay up, no good. Viva by number 16.
Diretso,
Number 8, Mr. Norby. No good. Rebound again by Norby. Considers rebound. 2 shot. 8-7 in favor of Bravo. 4 minutes.
Boys.
Bawal po maglakad sa loob ng court. Basketball po yan, hindi walking. May penalty daw. Good assist.
Ay, sayang.
Nice shot. Oh, nice. Baba kayo ba? Number 13. Foul. Number 16. First team foul. Both teams, first team foul. 2 shot. Piolo Pascual, number 30.
Classic Piolo. Hindi. Ganito na lang.
Next 5 natin. Ready tayo. Second quarter. Nogoy! Out out. Parang tinulang ni Dorothy. Nakita ko ah. Out of bounds na. Out of bounds. Number 8. Number 18. Boy, good pick. May Patriki. Almost good. Number 19. Number 19. Good layout. 10-7. Mr. Bobby. Short by Gerson. Rebound by number 42. 45, sorry. Good assist. Good shot. Tenga, number 41. 3 points. Yeah, 3 points, sorry. 10 all. 2 minutes. Number 30. No good. Rebound by Norby. Number 45. Batang-batang, anak ng Kulabong. Almost steal. Jump ball. Green, no. White ball. Number 80. Pass to Gerson. Number 70. Pass to number 80. Gerson open. Good shot. Change billboard. Lamang na po ang Alten. 12-10. Yeah, assist by number 17. Assist by number 50. Then 2 shots from number 17. Intercept, number 45. Ayan na po sa number 45. Good layup. 14-10. Basket, 45. Back to back for number 45. Buti na lang, di nagman sa tatayan. Piol Pascual. Piol Pascual.
Buti wala yung tatay dito.
One shot.
Dalawa son. Dalawa son.
Out of bounds. Pass to Morgan. Pass to number 45. No good. Number 12.
15.
Number 8. Pass to number 17. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 30. Out of bounds. 6 seconds.
Tabon, tabon! Tabon!
30 seconds na pa. Yeah.
And first quarter.
Yung last 30 seconds natin ng first, second, third quarter, stop lang ko na. Para hindi sayang lang ang video. Back to the ball game, second quarter. Number 17, binigyan na agad sa Gutana. Pakilala ang offensive foul, number 17. Pinira ka agad. First team foul. Kanta number 8. Rebound agad kay number 8. Mr. Alan. No good. Number 3. Figueroa. Pass to Baldos. Baldos. Out of bounds. Number 22. Malakas ng line ng natin. Mr. Tagle. Number 10. Taking for 3. Almost. Intercept by number 10 again. Number 10. Penetrate. Oh, almost. Out of bounds. White ball. Wala rin. Number 12, rebound. Magsano, Edu Magsano. Edu. Oh, yan ang original Papa Alvin. Mabasa number 8. Pass to Kuya Alan. Assist. Edu. Oh, ito po yung Tantan. Two shots.
Rebound sa ano siya. Rebound ka rin.
Rebound number 8.
Rebound ni Aaron ka rin.
16-12 in favor of White. Figueroa. Almost. Figueroa. Number 17. Pinagdak. Tackle.
Rebound ka ulit.
Rebound by Tackle. Out of the playing field. Parang hindi naman sinasadya kayo mo ano. Hindi naman sinasadya yun. Number 70, rebound naman kay Tagle. Tagle. Pass to number 22. Oh, no good. Rebound naman. Green ball. Nangangapa. Baba. Ang laro natin, basketball. Number 50, Rameling. Okay, may ingay dyan, ay.
Jinsu na, Majin.
Bang, almost. Number 12. Uy, kalin. Foul first, number 10. First team foul. Both teams. Magsano. Pass to Mr. Figueroa, penetrate. Good pass to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 22. Pushing. Pushing number 13. Two team fouls. Foul on number 13.
Score daw, score.
At 12, 12.
Score daw.
16-12 in favor of Alden. Viking. Figueroa, pass to number 22. That's assist by number 22. 22. 18-12. Pass again by Figueroa. No good again. Same ball. 18-12 in favor of White. gusto po magpagawa ng lapida dyan, alam nyo na. 17. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, pass to Kuya Anan. Kuya Anan, tanong ka. Second quarter. Number 6. Figueroa. Pass to number 17. Hindi gumalaw. Figueroa. Number 13. Good assist. Not a good shot. 22 rebound. Number 22. Side step. Good shot. Marunong maglaro yan. Number 17. Oy! Lamok, patay. Foul number 22. 2 team fouls. Yeah, 22 foul. 2 shots for number 17. Yung third quarter natin po, 5 minutes tayo pa-apply ka na. Yes, ate.
5-5.
Yes.
5-5.
Bakit pagod ka na?
Gusto nang matapalit. Gusto daw 5-5 lang.
2 points. 22-12. Kylie. Parang tumagay lang ng sa national. Dinaya eh. Hindi na pumasok. Rebound by number 10. Oh! Out of bounds. Black line tayo. Black line. Black tayo ah. Black line. Out of bounds by number 22. Rebound by Tanner. Number 12, Edo Manzano. Figueroa.
Edo man. Edo man sana talaga.
22-14. Papatantan, number 8. Step Babasa. Screen by number 23. Number 23.
Yun.
Oh, black. Huli ka siya. Number 10. Number 17. Foul number 17. Third team foul. 2 shot, number 10. Second personal foul for number 17. Almost intercept by number 13. Pass to Kuya.
Yun.
Basta may order kayong granite or lapida ng Tagalog, alam niyo na. May nagmamahal. Huli! Almost, no? Who's foul? 2-0. Foul number 20. Both teams, third team foul. Mr. Alan, first personal foul. Figueroa. Mr. Figueroa. Pass to number 6. Take the shot. Almost. Rebound by number 22. Number 22. Pass assisted number 8. Mr. Lapida. 26-14. Assist by number 8. Kuya Anan, hawak mo mic. Ako lang may karapatan. Manzano for 3. 26-17. Mr. Jimbula. Mr. Jimbula. Pass it to it.
Yun.
Oh, parang pa yung number 15 ah.
Para lang.
Para lang.
Paul pa lang. Ano?
15. 14 fouls for the green team. Warning for penalty. Third quarter natin po. Mandatory change tayo 5 minutes. Sa third quarter. Fourth quarter, open some time. Wala. Both free throw, no good. Number 13, Mr. Figueroa. Good pass to number 17. Ibabay number 22. Number 8. Number 8. Penetrated by Fred. Good shot. Number 8, 28-17 in favor of Alden Granite. Number 6. Beckham, number 6. Sponsor, maraming salamat po sa Alden, sa Promo, sa ANG.
17,000.
No basket?
Basket? No.
No basket, 17.
Basket.
Foul number 17. Number 17, third personal foul. Penalty rin, penalty. Penalty. It's penalty, sorry.
Oo.
Ha?
Oh, stopwatch, diba?
Dami siya rin stop lang tayo. Pwede rin yun, pwede rin gusto mo. Pwede ka naman wala naman kaso doon. Eh, katulad na 30 seconds, gusto.
Oo.
Free throw mo lang, wala na.
Pag free throw, yeah, tama.
Bakit bagal pa ni Titira? Out of bounds, quick ball, 12 seconds. Number 12, pass to number 3,
Oh, traveling na. Sana dinadakdak kasi. Dinakdak eh.
First half tayo, 21-19.
First half.
2 minutes break.
2 minutes? Okay, 2 minutes.
2 minutes break. Ito, 51-42, 9-point by the one team. Number 22. Howie. Baseline. Foul number 13. 2 team fouls were not for green. Mr. Gray. Pagler. Rebound by Brenta. Good turn, good assist. Oh, good block. That's a clean block. White ball. Good defense by number 19.
Sayang yun ang block.
Oh, may warning si Piolo Pascual. Bawat naman lagi. Short. Don't rebound. Pass to number book 19. Rebound by number 9. Sayang. Malatan sa trabaho yan. Number 22. Good pass to number 17. Mr. Tapler. Good rebound by 22. Oh,
360.
362 people. Number 38, way up. Good shot. 51-44. Mahabol na naman ang green. 5 minutes. Both team, may tag-isang timeout po kayo. Both team, ha? Both team, may tag-isang timeout. Papa, sige po. May isang tayo, rep, ha? Thank you. Number 8. Number 22. Number 77. Rebound by 82. Number 82. 82. Penetrate. Good. Not good. Almost. Good. Save by number 30. Number 19. Parang yung tingin. Parang yung piso-piso. Number 22. Oh! Good. White ball. Sorry, sub. Number 13 out, number 12 win. Mansano win, Bigamawa out. Yan, basic. Rebound by number 10. Good pass to number 8. Number 8.
Sub kami mamaya.
Sub pa, time out.
Sub.
Sabi mo,
My God.
dinadali ka.
Nakubay ko na pata na yan sa mic, Kuya Alan. Rebound by number 30. Number 30.
Yun.
Follow up by number 12. 51-46. Yung sasab mo, pwede lumapit sa kami dito para nakikita ng referee. Yung pagsasab,
Paborito yung magsasabi, minsan.
Yung magsasab, dito punta.
hindi po sa bench. Dito po, para kita lang ng referee. Good shot. 52-46. Number 19. No good. Wala na, nagkakanya na. Rebound by number 10. Next dead ball tayo, Marcel.
Sab.
Foul 19, go more sub. Pasok. Foul 19. 13 fouls for the green. Magsasab po kayo, lapit kayo sa committee, then technical ko kayo.
Pinasok kasi yung nalugan, secret weapon.
53-point good pass. Good pass to Norby. Ay! Traveling number 8. Nasobra sa ikot. Nasobra sa ikot. Copy pass to De La Serna. De La Serna. De La Serna penetrate. Pass to Edo Manzano. Edo Manzano. Bang! Bang! 53-49. Apat ka lang po ang laban. 3 points left. 3 points, 3 points. Foul number 40. 2 team fouls. 43-49. Last 2 minutes mo ang stop clock natin. Wala pa po. First shot.
Mag-sub daw, sub.
Pag nakashoot po, pag nakashoot. 50 po, yan. Traveling. Sub tayo, sub. Wait, isang time out pa po kayo.
Sumakit na yung gap.
54-49.
Kaya, nag-sub na.
Number 13. 54-22. Two-point lead. By the time she goes. Defense. 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 Good man.
Time out daw, time out.
Oy, warning kayo, warning. Ang dami ingay. Nabibistrap. Warning. Wala na kong time out ng white. No more time out. O isa pa kayo time out, ha? Back to the ball game. 54, 55, in favor of Green. Babangkaw. Nagbigay na ng Coach Alan. Man-to-man defense.
Lamang na sila ng isa.
Lamang ng isa.
Dapat ito may stand.
Number 22. Holy foul. This foul. No, wala pa. Warning for penalty pa lang ang Green. Warning. Nice play.
Ay, foul.
Foul 30. Penalty, ha? Penalty. Penalty. Naman po ang Green. Penalty.
Boom.
Good shot. 55 all. 55 all. No good. Foul number 8. 13 fouls. defense. Number 21. Intercept number 22. 22. Pass to number 16. Green shot. 27-59. Time out. Green. Wala na. Both mo mo na. Nakadalawang sa mga. Sino time out for both teams, ha? Sorry, 47 lang, sorry. 47. 47. Sorry, thank you. Maganda kasi yung laban eh. Nag-send ako. Pili kayo kung backward or... Kaya natin po ang green. 2 minutes to Coach Alan.
Seryoso. Seryoso. Science.
2 shots. Dalawa lang ang laban. Dapat din yung pinaul kasi penalty kayo eh. Ang haba pa yan. Huli na lang, wala. Huli na good ball, that's good ball. So, pasaya rebound mo.
Tinatawagan ko si ate.
Wala bang ano to, pagkain, wala bang absolute dito? Two shot.
Normal, isa! Kuha isa!
Another shot.
Oh, isa pa!
Line violation.
Oh, 100 pa! Yes!
Partida yun. Partida ah. Tres. Uy, sayang. 3 point. Down.
14 fouls. That's 14 fouls. Warning only for penalty. 7 seconds. Wala tayong 4 point. Wala tayo sa PBA. Nice game.
Nice game.
59-55 in favor of
Panalo pa.
Brunei. Nice game, boys.
Nice game, nice game. Nice game.
Almost behind our coming. Almost yung green, sayang. Sayang yung green. Trainer. Sayang yung ulit. Sayang. Sayang lang, dapat turnover lang lang.
Score pala, score. Score natin.
Ganda nga ng tatlong sunod na 3 points. Next game tayo. 3 minutes lang tayo. 5 minutes. Pwede ko na siya. Pwede na. Clear set. Score play.